Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 170 and today I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So let's get started. And first thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once you open the menu, you should see the watch face option right here at the top. Tap on it. And here we have the watch face menu. By default, you will have only one watch face, and to change it, you basically need to tap on Add New. Then scroll through the list of templates, because we have like templates for the watch faces. Find the template you enjoy, select it, and then once you select it, you can press the Start button. It will be added to the watch face list, and now we can apply it by tapping on it, and it will be applied. You can also customize watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, decide to customize the watch face, you press the Start button, it will open this menu, and here we can change the data, accent color, data color, and that's about it when it comes to this watch face. Some of the watch faces have more options. So let's tap on data, and this allows you to basically change the data displayed on your watch face. You can tap on the data pool you want to change, and then you can swipe up and down on the screen to change the data type. And you can do it for all of them. And once you're done, you can press the Start button. Was it Start button? No, it's Back button, right? Yeah, back button to go back. Then we have the accent color. You can change the color of the accents. And once you're done, you can press the Start button to confirm. Then we have data color. You can change the color for the data as well. And press the Start button. And then select the Apply to apply the changes. And that's how you edit the watch faces. Okay, so basically that's how you change the watch face. You can add the template to the list and use it, or you can customize it to your liking and make it your own, which was quite nice actually. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.